Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this is very special video related to the analytical techniques which most of you have asked me about this. So in this video we will know the process and principles of atomic absorption spectrometry, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, all these things where we can get at one place. Yes, all in one place where from we can get and we can study and we can perform best in our examination. So this video is all about that, so watch this video till last so that you will be able to know from where you can get all these materials. So let's start today's video. So this is the thing which I am talking about. Yes, ये जो book है, that is Handbook of Analytical Techniques by Helmut and Alex, is the book which I am going to give you the link where from you can get this. I'll provide the PDF directly, and this 1196. So don't be afraid, this is not the price. Yes, this is the number of pages present in this PDF which you are getting for free only. Yes, which you are getting for free only, and I will show you some of the glimpse of that PDF, that how that PDF looks like and how the explanation is given for each and every analytical techniques. So here comes some of the examples which I have collected from that PDF. For example, if you want to know about UV visible spectroscopy, so you have to go to the introduction. You will get the introduction of this method, the theoretical principle, what are the components and spectrometers kind, so all these things, the uses of UV visible spectroscopy, and what are the methods and special methods in this concept, in this analytical chemistry. So all this coming in a single chapter. Similarly, for atomic spectroscopy you can get the basic principle, its introduction, and what are the kind of atomic spectroscopy. So it is atomic absorption spectrophotometry, atomic emission spectrometry. So all this variety you will get under the atomic spectroscopy unit of this PDF. So I will show you some more of these examples. Yes, next example is about the gas chromatography. You can know about that, liquid chromatography, thin layer chromatography. Similarly, it has been given introduction. What are the components of that? What is the application of sample, mobile phase, stationary phase? Similarly, for electrophoresis, everything from basic principle to its uses and all the parts is explained in very easy and simple way. You can know from there. And the best thing about is the pictorial explanation. Yes, with the help of pictures also in this PDF you will get to know how the sample is prepared, what are the procedures used in the analytical techniques. So overall this is the best thing, the golden opportunity to get all these things in a free PDF. So now I will tell you how to download this or how to get this PDF. So this PDF will be uploaded in our Telegram group today, that is 25th of September at 10 p.m. tonight. So stay tuned for that. I'll upload the PDF and you can download it from there anytime you can want. You can visit the Telegram page, that is Learn for the Environment, our Telegram group. From the file section just type analytical techniques and you'll get this PDF for free. So I hope this will be very helpful for all of you and you will be very benefited in the examination. So this kind of video I will be bringing in upcoming days. So make sure you have subscribed the channel, hit the notification icon to get all further updates, and prepare well for the upcoming examination. Keep smiling and believe in yourself.